Dear friends, today let us see how to create an Instagram account. In the Google, just type Instagram. So click Instagram. Now sign up, click sign up. Don't have account, so click sign up. Then enter either mobile number or email ID. Type the full name. So I am creating Instagram account for my business company name, India Business International. You can type your own name for your own company name. Then enter the username. Right, I am just copying it and then pasting it. Control C, Control V. So it's telling plus, so something wrong with this. So since cap letters, I just enter small letters. So cross, click the cross, delete it, enter small letters. Now OK, username is OK. Since tick mark is there, now enter the password for this username Instagram account. Enter, create a password, right? Or enter the password that you want to have. Also, please note this password. For future use, it will be very useful. Do not forget the password. So I will enter the password now. Just wait a minute, I will just note out the password, then enter it. Okay. I am entering the password. So once you enter the password, click sign up. Okay, now you can add your birthday. Okay, this birthday, this won't be a part of your public profile. Okay, so I'm entering the birthday. You can enter your own birthdays. Okay, birth rate. Okay, then click next. Now enter the confirmation code sent to this email ID. Okay, now check the email ID and enter the confirmation code. So enter the code. If you have not received the code, you can click resend code. Okay, then click next. After entering the code, click next. Okay, confirm. It is you to log in. Click I am not a robot. Click next. Now add phone number to get back into Instagram. We will send a confirmation code via SMS to your phone. Enter the phone number. There is a mobile number. Click send confirmation. Now check your mobile. Confirmation has been sent. Enter the code that has been sent to your number. Just wait, let me check my mobile and enter the code. So after entering the code, click submit. Click submit. Now agree to the terms and conditions and back to Instagram. Okay, now Instagram account has been created successfully. Okay, now you can search. So we are dealing with the exports and imports. So I'm searching for somebody else to follow related to our business. So export, I have typed keyword. I'm checking for somebody to be followed. Okay, let me type export India. Okay, click that. Now click follow. Just check whether this is related to this or not. Then click follow or come back. Okay, click Apida. Right, search for Apida. Click follow. It is a government organization related to exports of agricultural products. So I am following it. Now let me type search for DGFT. This is the Director General of Foreign Trade. So only private services are there. This is not okay. Exim services. Okay. You need to find out the genuine Instagram accounts to be followed, right? So for demo purpose, I'm just following up few of the Instagram accounts. Okay, so this is not suited to our business. Type Commerce Ministry. Okay, but this is okay, not relevant. Just coming back. Go to home. Go to this message. You can send private photos and messages to your friend. Okay, this is all images available in Instagrams. Okay, actually Instagram is a powerful social media. Now let us go to profile. Yes, this is the profile, that is instagram.com/India Business International, or the username that you choose. Okay, let us copy and paste it in WhatsApp. Okay, so this is the link that has been created, instagram.com/ the company name. Okay, this is the Instagram account that we have created. Just double clicking it, it will lead to opening of this profile page. Now let us add phone number. Enter the phone number. Click add phone number. So confirmation code has been sent to the mobile number, and please enter the confirmation code that has been sent to the number. If you did not get it, we can resend SMS. Okay. Yeah, if you have not got it, you can click resend SMS, but I have got it, so I'm entering the confirmation code. Click done. Okay, done. Similarly, you can update this profile, Instagram profile. I'm adding. Okay, profile photo has been added to the Instagram account. Again I am going to the profile section. Okay, click profile. Okay, now you can add the website, biography, gender, everything. Just wait. Okay, I'll copy this website link of our own company and enter the website name. Okay, then the biodata of the company. Another website is also there, so just let me enter another website link. Let me copy, Ctrl C, then Ctrl V in the biography. Right, scroll it down. Now enter the gender, male, click done. After entering all these details, pending details, click submit. Okay, just check whether all the details have been entered in the Instagram account that has been created. Okay, let me I want a username with my company neatly known, so I am just changing it to title case India Business International. Okay, username is available, no issue, so click submit. Just wait, let me copy. Okay, let me paste it again. One more site. Let me copy it and paste it. There are some technical snag earlier. Click submit now. Okay, super. Now the Instagram account has been updated. Okay, nice. So whatever the post that has been sent by Apida and other members that we are following, it is there in the Instagram account of the company. Okay, so since we have followed this Apida, so lot many posts we can able to see related to export promotions. Similarly, you can search and follow the different Instagram accounts as per your needs. So now I am typing Coconut Development Board. Okay, Trivandrum. Click follow. Okay, so Coconut Development Board has been followed. Similarly, you can follow any Instagram account, right? So activity on your post. This is the profile. Okay, settings. This is home. Okay, suggestion for you. Click once you click it. So these are the suggestions given by Instagram. Similarly, you can follow any account. Okay. So let me search for customs. So we deal with tutorial customs. So no such Instagram account is there. So I'm just typing customs India. Actually, not all have Instagram accounts. Many or most of the organizations have it. Okay. So just wait. Just typing Government of India. Just click it. Okay. Okay, click follow. So all government related informations will be seen in the Instagram account. Since we are following Government of India, that was the official Telegram account of Government of India. Okay, so this is the profile. This is a profile. Okay, so I'm just clicking the link of the Instagram, that is instagram.com/India Business International. So this is a profile. These are the Instagram page, right? You can call it as Instagram business page or Instagram account that we have created. Super. Okay. So this is a procedure how to create an Instagram account. Okay. Thank you friends. Hope you understood how to create an Instagram account. You can create an account for yourself for personal use or for business use. Right. Hope you understood. Please try. Right. And those who are not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.